Hi guys, today I received this really nice flower ceiling lamp for review purposes. It comes very well protected with lots of foam and everything. This is a part that goes into your ceiling. Okay, as you can see, it has the LEDs integrated in here. The base plate, it's really nice. And in here we've got the glass fixture, okay? It's really nice. We've also got everything you need to assemble it and install it. So let's go ahead and place it. I'll be placing it in here. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, now it's already installed. It looks really nice. It gives a fancy vibe to wherever you put it, and it's really nice because it has 3 temperatures of the light, which is excellent. And to change the temperature, you just turn it on and off. As you can see, right now it's like a neutral white, which is quite nice. But if we turn it off and on, we've got this amazing warm white, which I quite like a lot. I think it's how I like more how it looks. And lastly, this cool white. Okay, you can see it's really nice. It's very versatile because you can use it on different scenarios, different places, on your bedroom, your dining room, your kitchen, whatever you wanna put this ceiling lamp. It's really nice because it's obviously of LEDs and they are really great. Okay, so I will really recommend it. It's great. I like it a lot, and it's very nice. The finish is like I don't know how to explain it, like lots of crystal dots, which looks really good with the light. Okay, so we recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.